But this is just a start. What I'm looking to embark on. A new journey, new words are just coming. Minds blurring, curtains worried to start. I'm all loopy, absolutely, this is changing me. Dreaming while I'm aging to be an MC. And this is just my remedy. I'm heavily rejuvenated, candidly embarrassed. I'm climbing to the top, prepared to be a challenge. Bounce down the notches, feeling somewhat common, but not to be forgotten. Cause I am not yet falling. Is it real? Is this just a dream? Living out a fantasy, a couple MCs on the stage, in our lives, all the things that we've seen. Doing for the passion, not in this for the green. Is it real? Is this just a dream? Living out a fantasy, a couple MCs on the stage, in our lives, all the things that we've seen. Do it for the passion, not in this for the green. Baby, I'm feeling like a fucking lost puppy. Stress is overwhelming, shit's got me going nutty. Vision is blurred, everything's become fuzzy. But atmosphere taught me that God loves ugly. On a mission to be the best, no one is gonna love me. I'm the people's MC, yeah, you all fucking love me. I keep this music true, it seems to speak to you. Murder beats in the booth, show you what this kid can do. Never let others drag you down, keep on doing you. It can be a vicious circle, gotta keep on pushing through. So thankful for my fam, the homies in the crew. But we're back with this physics shit, I owe it all to you for real. Is it real? Is this just a dream? Living out a fantasy, a couple MCs on stage, spinning our lives, all the things that we've seen. Do it for the passion, not in this for the green. Is it real? Is this just a dream? Living out a fantasy, a couple MCs on stage, spinning our lives, all the things that we've seen. Do it for the passion, not in this for the green. Give it up for Re-Vise. We can tell people fuck